What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we're going to be doing Hanami, the cursed spirit from Jujutsu Kaisen. Really cool character design. So, landscape orientation page, use a pencil and hit pause if I go too fast. Pencil and eraser and slow it down if you need to, if I go too fast for you. So, we're going to start with those sticks that are growing out of his eyes, right? I think it's the easiest place to start. So, let's go. So we just go kind of a curved, bumping sort of line here, like this, right? And it kind of comes around here, and then we go up that way, and then we go real long, up like so. And so it's different like in every drawing, right? So it doesn't really matter where you put the pointy parts. I've seen it in different frames in the one episode that they're different sort of spikes. They don't look the same at all times. You know, so don't really worry too much about getting it super like mine or anything. So then there's like texture lines. Like this, just trying to make it woody looking, textured. This coming down like so, and I do the same thing on the other side. So just this sort of bumping kind of shtick, just an elbow shtick coming up that way, and then up to these pointy parts that stick up like so. To there, line there. And one up and around, like so. Just loads of texture, okay, like that. Right, so next thing we're gonna do is the mouth. So we'll draw a line across here, like that. And then this is going to curve down the side and then down around here. Curve down the side, down around here, and then bring it across for the bottom lip. Okay. So in there we got like loads of teeth, okay? So we start with the middle ones. So up and down, around like so. Same on this side. Right, like that, and then we go out, down here. Going this way, and they kind of gradually get a little bit smaller as we go out to the edge there. Like so. And then teeth along the bottom as well. So coming out from the middle here. So these teeth are underneath the top teeth, okay? That's the main thing to remember. So they go, you always do the top line first, basically. So, to there, and like so. Okay, so then this mouth has a sort of mandible insect-like jaw portion, okay? So it kind of, let's see, so we'll bring it down. Like this, kind of comes out to there, down, back up. up this way. And then it'll go kind of around here. And we've got like a tooth or something, like a sharp pointing sort of stick-like area. So like a sharp jaw or something just here. It comes up and underneath there, right? So roughly like that. And then same thing on this side. Out, down, back up, under here. Comes out to what looks like a spike or something just up under here. Okay, like that. And then this could have an edge line just running around it. Just a light one. Like that. So then the chin, so comes down from these two areas. Goes around and up into there. And then there's like a line just for bottom lip here. And then this has sort of tattoo like patterns. This character has tattoo like patterns all over, but we'll draw those in when we get the main shape for the head and the body done, and then we can do all those patterns. So then the middle of the head, just up here in between these two antennae like things, curves around like here. Okay, and then this is going to come out down here. And then bring it down, out to there, back in. And this is like another line just there as well. And then there's like the jaw sort of sticks out, or like the side of the head sticks out here. Okay. And then we do the same thing on this side. Pretty much. These sort of bumping lines. And then like a jaw area sticking out here. Like so. Then the neck comes down, say here. And then comes down there on that side. And then like a neck muscle line coming down there. Another one coming down here. And some more sort of inside. And then trapezius on this side, so we've got like bumping sort of line there. And then he's got that big bag, so that like big covering that's on him or her or it comes along this way, comes right down across the body like there, right, and kind of bumps kind of here. Like this. And then we'll bring this down. And it goes all the way back up, right? And joins back up here. So this has got some fold lines and stuff on it. Down just off my page there, and like some more folds, and you know, the fabric being pulled just this way and that way. so, and then there's all these stitches on it, so just these lines like this. Right, so then the arm on the other side comes down like so on the other side, and then it'll sort of bump out here like that, very muscular. And then this will go out for the shoulder, really big, right? Real big shoulder muscle, like crazy big. Okay. Something like that. Right, so that comes down there, and then so we got like some more sort of muscle lines and things, right? So collarbone and more anatomy basically inside here. So the collarbone runs that way, and then another sort of neck muscle there, and then like something else here, and then the other collarbone be like here, and this goes up to like there. And like another sort of neck muscle there. And then the chest, so the middle of the chest sort of runs down that way, and then curved line there, chest muscle going out around here, coming down like so, and just comes down around, boom, and chest muscle line here. So then the bicep and tricep. So tricep comes down this way, the elbow sticking out and running down off my page there, and the bicep is like in close to the body, like here. So it like comes out that way and goes up into there. And then shoulder muscle line there, shoulder muscle line here, like more sort of anatomy sort of lines here, coming up around. Right, so then all those black, grey sort of lines, right? So we'll do on the head first. So we got like a line coming up around here. Just up there. And then these sorts of squiggly cracks. Running down the head. That. So you can color these black if you want, but they're kind of dark grey, I think, or brownish grey in the anime. So I won't color them in black. I'll do them sort of a dark grey color. And you're just aiming for like tree branch like shapes, really. Zigzags, lots of broken lines and stuff. Then we go down in towards the lips, back out to there. Like so, and some like where the neck muscle lines are, so there's like one coming down there, another one beside it, like a double, so it like comes out here. So, and then something sort of here as well. Like so, something down here. And the other side in the neck. Just there. side of the neck here. And then it runs like down the bicep, so you're following the sort of anatomy now. You're trying to bring it down the arm. Another one on this side. There, and one going down the bicep. There, something coming in here. 3 going across his chest, or her chest, or its chest. One more, I think. I think that's everything. Yeah, I got the ones on the chin. Yeah, there you go. How to draw Hanami from Jujutsu Kaisen. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.